Hello, beautiful goddess. This is Priya, your manifestation coach, and in this video, I am going to show you how to manifest a relationship instantly. Yes, it is actually possible. So by the end of this video, you are not only going to be aware of the one shift that you need to make in order to speed up manifesting your man, but you will also have the tool to execute this. In fact, this was the exact shift that I made that allowed me to manifest my husband in just 30 days. So let's get started. Now, the first thing that you want to become aware of is that you are in control of the timing of your manifestation. Let me repeat that. You have 100% control of how fast you manifest your man into your experience. Why is this important to note or to become aware of? Well, because a lot of people tend to believe that, everything is on a fixed timetable. People tend to talk about divine timing. Oh, well, I have to wait for things to align before I'm able to manifest my dream man. And, in reality, people have a misconception of what divine timing really means. Okay, so divine timing does not mean that everything is going to happen on a fixed timetable, because if that was the case, if everything was fixed, meaning, it was fixed for the date and the time when you're going to meet your dream man, then what would be the point in positive thinking and raising your vibration and changing your thought patterns and the law of attraction? There'd be no point to any of it if you were going to meet your person on a certain day and a certain time. So what this means is that you have complete control of how fast you call in your dream relationship. And to go deeper into this, it's about understanding that the manifestation of your dream relationship already exists. It's already available to you right now. In fact, the universe has laid out correlative components to get you from where you are to your dream relationship. So the universe, your higher self, God, source, whatever you want to call it, has carved out a pathway and is guiding you to the manifestation of your dream relationship. So your dream relationship is already done. Your dream man is already available to you. You are never waiting for things to line up, or you're never waiting for your dream man to line up so that you can manifest it. What's happening instead is that the universe is waiting for you to align your vibration with your dream relationship so that you can perceive the path it has laid out for you. So what this means is that it's never, oh, how long do I have to wait before, my manifestation shows up, before my dream man shows up, or how long do I have to wait before things align? What you should be asking yourself is, how long does it take you to align with your dream relationship? And the duration of time that it takes you to align with your dream relationship is the duration of time that it takes you to manifest your dream man and call in your dream relationship. So you have complete control of this. The power has always been within you. So then the next question that you might be wondering is, well, okay, Priya, what dictates how fast I call in my dream relationship? How do I do this? Well, it's about understanding this one word that I'm about to share with you: resistance. Now, what is resistance? Well, vibrational resistance is basically every time you have thought patterns or emotions or vibrations that contradict your desire of your dream relationship. This is what is meant by vibrational resistance. In other words, it's that internal conflict that is going on within you, that inner battle that is constantly going on within you. So when you have resistance, this slows down your manifestation. In fact, the degree to how much resistance you have equals the degree to how much you slow down the manifestation of your dream relationship. Now, conversely, when you have zero resistance, this is when instant manifestation occurs. Okay, so zero resistance, meaning your vibration is pure, equals instant manifestation of your dream relationship. And having resistance and the degree to how much resistance you have slows down your dream relationship. So the more resistance you have, the more you slow down the manifestation of your relationship. The less resistance you have, the more you speed up the manifestation of your dream relationship. And so for myself, this is something that I understood, and this is something that I shifted, right? And it took me 30 days to get myself to a place of having resistance to having zero resistance. And then this is how I was able to manifest my husband in just 30 days. So then you might be thinking, well, okay, how do I get to a place of where I have zero resistance? Well, this is about understanding the biggest two blocks that amplify your resistance, that keep you in the energy of resistance. And once you let go of these two blocks, you will get to a place where you have zero resistance. So let's talk about what these two blocks are. Block number one, getting attached to the how. How will the manifestation of your dream relationship occur? Okay. So let's talk about what happens when we get attached to the how, when we're trying to figure out the how. What it means is that we're stuck in our analytical mind, trying to figure out, well, how is it going to happen? What do I need to do to make it happen? Okay. When you are in your analytical mind, you create resistance, vibrational resistance. And this simply slows down the manifestation of your dream relationship. And in fact, it was never designed for your human mind to work out the how your manifestation would occur. It's the job of the universe to work out the how, and the universe has already done this, right? It's already worked out the how you're going to manifest your dream relationship, and it's already created a path for you so that, it's guiding you from where you are to your dream relationship. That's already been worked out. That how has already been worked out by your higher self. So it is not your job. And every time you're stuck in your analytical mind, resistance, which means you slow it down. You slow down your manifestation. Okay? So that's the first block. Let's now talk about the second block. The second block is looking for proof. So what we do, like as humans, because we're stuck in our analytical mind of the how and trying to figure it out, although it's not our job, is we then begin to look for proof. Okay? We're like, oh, well, is it going to come through here? Is it going to come through here? Why isn't it here yet? We try to look for movement in the 3D. We want proof. And every time you stop to look for proof, guess what? You create resistance. And when you create resistance, this slows down your manifestation. So then the next question is, okay, well, Priya, how do I get to a place? Like, how do I let go of the how? And how do I stop looking for proof? And this is quite simple, really. This is where faith comes into play. Now, what is faith? Okay. Faith is basically trust in the unseen. Faith is trust in your divinity. When it comes to manifesting your dream relationship, it's about trusting in the unseen. And this is where you want to practice shifting yourself out of fear, doubt, and worry and back into faith. Okay, back into that place of I completely trust in my divinity who has figured everything out. I trust in this so much so that I no longer need to figure out the how, and I no longer need to go looking for proof. I'm able to let that all go because I have faith. I trust in myself and in my higher self and in the laws of the universe. And so a simple tool that you can use to shift yourself out of fear, doubt, and worry and into faith, and this is something that I used, is to, simply like when you find yourself in that place of fear or, you notice that you're stuck in the how, like trying to figure out the how, or you notice that you're looking for proof, like you want to become aware of it. And the minute you become aware of it, you just want to take a deep breath, okay, like this. Once you take a deep breath, you want to get out of your analytical mind and into your heart. Now, how do you do this? By simply bringing your awareness and your attention from your mind to your heart. So you place all your attention on your heart. And once you're in your heart, this is where you just tune into faith, okay? You remember what it feels like to have faith in your higher self, source, God, the universe. And that minute that you begin to tune into faith, what you're really doing is you're saying, I don't need to know the how and I don't need to look for proof. Because I trust in the unseen. I trust in my higher self. So it's about tuning into that frequency of faith. When you tune into the frequency of faith, you are in your heart. You are no longer in your mind. And this automatically allows you to let go of the how and stop looking for proof. And when you do this, gets you into a place where you have zero resistance. So you want to continue this practice every time you're in fear, doubt, and worry. You want to be able to shift yourself into the frequency of faith. Now, the frequency of faith is seriously undervalued because in reality, this is the most crucial step or the final step that allows you to cross that finish line and actually manifest your dream relationship. Okay, it really comes down to trust in the unseen, to shifting into that place of knowingness that everything is taken care of, that you don't need to do anything, that your higher self has your back and is guiding you from where you are to the manifestation of your dream relationship. So let's recap everything that you have learned here today. Okay, so the key to manifesting a relationship instantly is about first understanding that you are in control of the timing of your manifestation, and that divine timing is really about how long it takes you to align your vibration with your dream relationship. You are also aware that the one shift that you need to make in order to speed up manifesting your dream relationship is about shifting from having resistance to zero resistance. Okay, so instant manifestation occurs when you have zero vibrational resistance. So being able to intentionally and on purpose shift yourself from a place of resistance to zero resistance is what speeds up the process of you manifesting your man. And you are also aware that, this is really about letting go of the how your manifestation will happen. And it's also about being able to stop looking for proof. And the way in which you accomplish this is about tuning into the frequency of faith. Now, in order to really execute what I've shared with you here today, it's also about understanding and becoming aware of that, when you're in this place of faith and you're holding this frequency consistently, you are never taking action to manifest your dream relationship. Yes, let me repeat that. You are never taking action to manifest your dream relationship. Now, if you want to know what I mean by this, and if you want to learn about this and go deeper into it, I have a video, Don't Take Action to Manifest a Relationship, that you can watch next. I will post a link in the description box below. Also, if you would like to work with me on a one-on-one capacity, my flagship program, Sovereign Queen Academy, is now open for enrollment. You can click the link below in the description box to apply for this. Once you have completed your application form, you will be rescheduled. You will be redirected to a scheduling page where you can book a free discovery call with me to see if we are a good fit. Now, I typically work with spiritual-minded women who want to manifest their dream relationship without using a dating app. And they've tried visualizing, affirming, and scripting with no results. And what we do is we go deep into how to permanently heal from your past wounds, present triggers, and turn off the negative analytical mind. Finally, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if this video resonated for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post new videos about how to manifest your dream relationship. Catch you soon.